Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Cloth and Paper October Stationery box, and this is my first cloth and paper order, which I'm really excited about. And of course, I had to share it with you guys. So this box cost $38, which included the shipping. And there is a lot of goodness inside of this box. Of course, you can see sneak peeks on the Cloth and Paper's Instagram and YouTube page. I will have all that information linked below, as well as the website, of course, to purchase. And these sub boxes have to be ordered by the 16th of every month in order to get it for that particular month. And so yeah, this is October, and within it comes a planner in this one, plus some other amazing goodies, and then inserts for the month of November. So let's jump right into it. I've already looked at the stuff online and when I got the box, but here we go. So you have the tissue paper. I'm going to go ahead and take everything out of the box. Okay, so the box came with this card that says, "Why, hello there. Yay, your new box has arrived. Now let's open this together. Get all the details of the box's contents, plus watch us unbox it on our blog." And then it has the link to the latest blog post. So nice card, blank on the back. So as far as the accessories that came with this, it came with these black and gold stickers, 192 of them, and it says organize, donate, dry clean, laundry, shopping, and store return. One of the things that Cloth and Paper also has as far as an insert is a wardrobe one, kind of like a capsule wardrobe. So that is something that these would pair great with that are within the shop. So you get 4 sheets of those. Then one of the newer products, which are the nude dots. These are in 2 different shades. So within these, let's take out this one first. So these are just nude dots. There's hexagons, squares, the tape, and then the corners. The tape is going to be great for time blocking, putting in your schedule. So that's those. And then the others is this color here. Same thing. I just want to see if these are transparent or not, which they feel like they are. So yes, these are the transparent ones. All of these sheets. And I think yes, they are numbered at the bottom here. So just to show you these. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see that they are all numbered. So that's nice. Like that there is a mix with those. And these are actually one of the newer releases within the shop. Then there are these stone page flags. I want to see the quality of these. Oh, I love these. And these measure a ½ inch by 1.5 inches. Oh my gosh, guys. These are the transparent ones too. They're not paper. I love this. This is another one that's good for marking off pages in your planner, of course, but also if you were to use these for time blocking. Then you get 3 neutral sticky notes. I'm so excited for these. These are going to go great in my planner. The planner that I'm currently using is a half letter, and it's going to be neutral all 2020. I cannot wait to get into these. So I will have all of the products individually if they're available on the website. I'll have them all linked in the description box. Then with the box you get this planner insert, and when you're signing up for the box it asks you what size of planner you're using. I chose the half letter. Even though I was still using the classic Happy Planner, I chose the half letter. I'm glad I did. I hadn't remembered if I had chose this one or the A5 size, because those were the 2 that I was torn in between, but I'm glad that I did choose this one. So you have November, your monthly to-do list, birthdays, important dates, and then weekly habits. You have a monthly with the notes over here, the perpetual calendars for October and December, daylight savings, which is on the 3rd. Oh my goodness, coming already. Veterans Day, Thanksgiving, and then priorities for the week, number 1, 2, and 3, the month at a glance here, and then the weekly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and it just continues for the whole entire month up until December 1st. And then this here, the 1st to the, well, oh, it's a whole bunch of trackers that you can put here. This is nice. I didn't even realize this. So you have all of these from 1 to 31. So this is good for like affirmations, medications you could be taking, tracking your work hours would be good inside of something like this. So I really, really do like that. So that's cool. So I am going to be using that. And then the big one in this box was this 2020 planner, which has the same layout as the insert that came in the box. Y'all, it smells so good. By the way, this planner smells amazing. So it has a pocket here, and this is that coil. All of it's tabbed from January to December. This is a full planner, y'all, and you saw everything that came in this box. So here's the This Belongs To. Here's the year at a glance on 2 pages. She also has a dashboard of just the year at a glance on 1 page. Then there's holidays. We get into the month. Again, that same layout that I just showed with the monthly and then the weekly. And this is great for memory planning, which is what I plan on using this one for, is writing down highlights and all that good stuff. And then you still get those tracker pages. So even though I have a mental health planner, I still plan on putting affirmations inside of here. And I love that the binding has volume 2020 here, and then you have it on the front. This is a bit textured, but y'all, it smells so good. I love it. I love it. I love it. So that is everything that came inside of the sub box. I am very, very pleased. What I purchased, again, absolutely. The quality of cloth and paper is just what I expected it to be, but I wanted to share with you guys my first unboxing, and I will be placing another order before the year is out because I have decided to go with the cloth and paper daily pages for the year 2020, among some other things that I'll be adding, but you'll have to stay tuned to see what that is going to be. But that is it. Be sure to leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section, as well as checking out the links in the description box, which will have cloth and paper links, related videos, and of course the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic family, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.